ufuna ukuthi ngimkhise in front of you so uqala ukuthi vele
ungabona imhlolo
Sure.
ungabona imhlolo
Sure.
ungazi phela ngwale nathi yali
Yeah,
it's
John
not like
Bolin.
I'm scared of you. I just respect my woman. But if a guy like you, I'll kiss her.
oh so inhloso yakho uzohlukanisa uhamba ufuna ukuhlukanisa abantu baqabule
Do you know how I'm cruel, my man? Wangazi ukuthi ngicruel
mina
kanjani?
uyangazi ukuthi ngicruel kanjani
Ucruel.
ngicruel
Yeah,
kabi
because
mina
he's fair, cruel vele because he's
My
fair.
sister, would you mind to kiss my
Because like,
camera? Wait, when I spoke
because
to my
like,
would you mind to kiss my camera guy to show him that
yes,
it's nothing?
yes.
Ngibambela.
hey
Do you mind my sister?
kuyosapha kama-camera
Sobona ngifuna ukubona angisho mina ngizoba nginawe. So my sister, do you mind? Here's my camera guy, kiss him in front of this dude so he can see.
Jeez. Life is camera.
Singibambe mina angisho wena uqala. Bapeke.
Ah, bezobulala umuntu Joseph. Izofa le ndoda le.
Can't do stuff. Can't do shit.
I think we're done.
You're done with this. That's fine. You can leave.